Have you seen this solar Halloween black cat moon pumpkin garden light online? It features a crescent moon, a glowing pumpkin, stars, and a cute black cat, and it's designed to create a warm Halloween atmosphere in your yard or garden. The advertised price is around $36.99. It looks great in promotional pictures and social media videos. But before you spend your money, there are some important customer complaints you should know about. So, is this Halloween decoration really worth the price, or does the actual product look very different from the advertisements? Let's take a closer look. According to the product description, this decoration is designed for outdoor use and includes several Halloween-themed elements. There's a crescent moon, a pumpkin lantern, star cutouts, and a black cat. The product is also advertised as solar-powered. The idea is simple. Place it in your lawn, flower bed, planter, porch area, or pathway. Let it charge during the day, and enjoy the light after dark. The warm orange glow is supposed to create a cozy and spooky Halloween atmosphere. It's also marketed as an easy decoration because there are no electrical wires to connect. And at first glance, it certainly looks like an attractive Halloween decoration. But here's where the customer feedback becomes important. Several Amazon customers have complained that the actual product is much smaller than they expected. One reviewer described it as cheap, small, and not worth the price, saying it looked nothing like the promotional image. Another customer said they waited weeks for delivery, only to receive a product they considered cheaply made and much smaller than expected. Other reviews make similar complaints about the materials and overall appearance. One customer said the black cat was only around 4 inches tall and that the moon was approximately 7 inches tall. That's a major difference if you were expecting something large and impressive based on the advertising. Some reviewers also complained that the product doesn't create the same visual effect shown in promotional photos and videos. So if you're considering this decoration, pay close attention to the actual dimensions before ordering. There's another issue mentioned in some customer reviews. The product is advertised as solar-powered, but at least one reviewer claimed that the moon is solar-powered while the pumpkins use button batteries. Another customer made a similar complaint, saying the pumpkins were battery-powered even though the product was presented as a solar decoration. If accurate, that means you shouldn't automatically assume that every illuminated part operates from solar energy. This is exactly why it's important to check the product specifications carefully rather than relying only on promotional videos. Customers have also reported problems with the construction and assembly. Some reviewers described the materials as cheap or poorly made. One reviewer said the item arrived with damaged packaging. Another complained that the decoration required assembly and wasn't as straightforward as expected. There were also complaints about the pumpkin pieces and how they fit together. Now, it's important to remember that online reviews represent individual customer experiences. Not every buyer will necessarily have the same experience. However, when multiple reviews mention similar concerns about size, appearance, quality, and lighting, those complaints are worth considering before purchasing. So is this product scam? Based on the information and customer reviews we're looking at, I wouldn't automatically call the product itself a scam. It appears to be a Halloween decoration that customers have actually received. The bigger concern is whether the real product matches the expectations created by the advertising. If the decoration arrives significantly smaller than you expected or looks different from the promotional photos, you may feel that the product isn't worth $36.99. That's why it's important to check the dimensions, understand exactly which components are solar-powered or battery-powered, and read recent customer reviews before placing an order. So what's the verdict? The solar Halloween Black Cat Moon Pumpkin Garden Light has a fun Halloween design and could look nice as a small seasonal decoration. But based on the customer feedback we've reviewed, there are enough complaints about size, materials, appearance, assembly, and the lighting system to make me cautious about paying $36.99 without checking the details first. If you decide to buy it, don't judge the product only by the promotional photos. Check the measurements and read the latest reviews carefully. And remember, a product can be real while still failing to meet a customer's expectations. Have you purchased this solar Halloween Black Cat Moon Pumpkin Light? Did it look like the pictures? Share your experience in the comments because your review could help someone else make a better decision. And if you want more reviews of questionable or viral products before you buy, make sure to subscribe to Mango School. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.